back to my channel. So good to have you back. So if you're joining me for the first time, my name is Aida Francis and I'm so happy to have you back. But if today isn't the first time of seeing my face, thank you, and thank you so much for joining me once again. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this. I don't know whether you know what this is. Okay, you know that this girl sitting in front of you is actually obsessed with moringa. So right now what I'm actually doing is exploring the different ways we could actually use moringa for the hair. I'm actually conscious of what goes into my hair. That is why I take time to do a lot of DIY, that is do it yourself. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how you could be making your shampoo all by yourself using moringa as an active ingredient, because moringa is very good for the hair. Okay, that being said, if you really want to know what consists of my ingredients and how I actually make this moringa shampoo, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to click the subscribe button and the bell that is just right beside it. That way you will always be the first to be notified anytime a new video like this drop in this channel, because I upload video daily on this channel. So without taking so much of your time, please come with me and let me show you how you could actually make this shampoo. Okay, let's go. I'm going to be using my blender cup to mix the moringa powder. So this should be like a tablespoon of the moringa powder. You know that moringa contains helpful ingredients that helps in hair growth. Moringa plays an important role in the development of healthy cells and tissues in the body that will help reduce hair loss, because it contains a lot of vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin E, which is actually needed for hair growth. To be adding 1 cup of water to this powder. Then I'm going to mix it very well. After mixing it very well, I'm going to leave it for some time until it is fully settled. Then I will sieve it out. When our moringa is settled, I'm going to sieve it. Gently stir it until you get the juice out. You don't need to apply pressure on it, because here it's only the juice that we need. So this is what I have. Like I mentioned earlier, I don't want to apply so much pressure on it because I don't want the paste in the shampoo. So I'm just going to put this away, then I'll use it for my body scrub later. It helps in reducing hair breakage because it's rich in antioxidant properties which prevent damage, keep your scalp and hair healthy. Honey will also strengthen your hair follicles, curbing hair fall. Honey also comprises a lot of antibacterial and antiseptic properties. 1 tablespoon of the honey to this mixture. For the coconut oil, I'm going to be adding the same tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil, in promoting blood circulation into the scalp. The thing I'm going to be adding is the tea tree shampoo. So I'm just going to measure this as well. As for the shampoo, feel free to use any shampoo of your choice. Anyone that you use, you will still achieve the same thing. So I added a tablespoon and half of the tea tree shampoo. So, and if you're going to be making something more than this, depending on the hair volume that you have, just kindly increase the quantities as well. When you finish your shampoo, then it is time to turn it into a bottle, a container like this that you will use to wash your hair. Ensure that you shake it very well. Then our shampoo is ready. So you can use this to wash your hair anytime you feel like. Thank you so much for watching up to this point, and I believe that you actually learned a lot when it comes to making this Moringa shampoo for your hair. Okay, so if you like this video, please do not forget to give your girl a huge like, and if you have further questions or you feel that issues that I did not cover while I was recording this video, please kindly let me know that in the comment section. Let me treat that right away. And if you have any video that you want me to do for you, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm going to be doing that for you. Okay, and if at this point you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button. That way you will always be notified anytime I post a new and interesting video in this channel. Okay, and until another time when ID Francis will come your way, please bye. Go and try this out and let me know what you think. Okay, do not forget to share this video as well to other people that needs to see how they could actually use the Moringa for their hair. And if you're thinking of where you could actually get the Moringa for your hair, if you're living outside Nigeria, where I'm actually recording this video from, especially people in the US and the UK, I learned that you could actually get this on Amazon, you could actually get this at Target, and you could also get them at African shops. Okay, you could actually check Indian shops because the Indians also use a lot of Moringa as well. Okay, so until another time, I am taking my leave right now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.